Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I decided to do a protective style using this Springy Afro Twist 12-inch in the color 1B. Out of the package, this is what it looks like. So normally I would cut this in half. That's really if you want it to be shorter. So like I said, this is 12 inches. And because it stretches, it's really a little bit longer than that. But I wanted to put it up in a ponytail, so I decided not to cut it. I used this edge booster and to oil my scalp, I use my Clowell Natural Glow. This is a Nourishing Herbal Hair Oil. It has castor oil, shea butter powder, and tea tree oil. I use this on my scalp, and I actually been using it to help my hair grow. I recently cut my hair into a tapered style. I probably cut about 5 inches off in the back and maybe 3 or 4 in the front. And so this is what we're working with. Wrap it around, pull it tight. And then you just braid it, push it in to make sure it's at the root. And then you braid it down just a little bit just so it can stay secure. And then what I'm going to do is split it into the two so it can blend in with the hair. And I kind of do it tightly. And this hair, each bundle has about 7 strands, and I split it. I split the strands into about 4, and then I took a piece. And it really depends on how thick you want it. You see, it's blended. So you have to do the right hand over the left hand and twist. And this is good. It goes according to the texture of your hair. In the next twist, I'm going to add some more of this gel or edge booster so it has that nice shine. On this one, I'll show you what not to do because you'll see when you put it in going left over right, it won't stay and it'll unravel. So you braid this all the way down. See, you have that, and you can trim that. And you can put more of this on the end and curl it. So you see how the twist, that's how it should look. And then could split this again if you want, depending on how small. I'll see. So my goal is to, I can remember, I'm just going to braid it right just so it holds and then go. So normally I would twist this way, right over left. So now I'm going to twist left over right. And you'll see I think most people would realize it because most people are right-handed, and it's not comfortable to twist this way. You see, I have to think about it. It's like it's difficult. You see, it's getting all tangled and messed up, and I'm like, that's a lot of extra work. You see, and it unravels. So I don't think you can really make the mistake and go the in the wrong direction, because if you do, you would notice it. It would unravel immediately. And I don't think most of us who know how to do this, I mean, I know there are videos and stuff, but I think it just, it's natural to do it this way. I went down a little more than I wanted to, but sometimes I like to blend my short hair in. So I started this yesterday at 3. It took 12 hours. I was pretty much, I was, I was tired, so I just left the front. See? You can also crochet it. What I did was in the back where I told you I cut my hair, I braided these. And so what I'm gonna do is actually take my crochet needle and crochet these in.